let 3x plus 7 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. That the given proper fraction 3x plus 7 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Now taking LCM on both sides, we get 3x plus 7 equals to a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2, x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now put x equals to 1 in both sides, substitute x equals to 1 on both sides. In left side 3 plus 7 10 equals to a into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 plus b into x minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, then it becomes to 0, plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. At place of x equals to 1 substitute, we get x minus 1 becomes to 0, then it also 0. Now 10 equals to a into minus 1 into minus 2, or minus 1 into minus 2 equals to 2, 2 into a, 2a equals to 10, 2a equals to 10, then a equals to 5. The value of a equals to 5. Now put x equals to 2, x equals to 2, substitute in complete equation, we get 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 7 13 equals to a into 2 minus 2 0, it becomes to 0, plus b into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 plus c into 2 minus 2, it becomes to 0. Now 13 equals to b into 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, we get minus b equals to 13, or b equals to minus 13, minus b equals to 13 or b equals to minus 13. Next to put x equals to 3, put x equals to 3. Now we get 9, 3 into 3 9 plus 7 16 equals to a into 3 minus 3, it becomes to 0, b into 3 minus 3 also 0, plus c into 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1, 2 into 1 2, or 2c. Now for implies c equals to 8, 16 equals to 2c or c equals to 8. Therefore the required partial fractions are 3x plus 7 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to a by x minus 1, but the value of a is 5, 5 by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2, b equals to minus 13. Now minus 13 by x minus 2 plus c by 8 by x minus 3. Next example, resolve 5x plus 1 by x square into x minus 1 into partial fractions. Now solution, let. Now the given proper fraction 5x plus 1 by x square into x minus 1 equals to a by x plus b by x square plus c by x minus 1. The given proper fraction 5x plus 1 by x square into x minus 1 equals to a by x plus b by x square plus c by x minus 1. Now take LCM on both sides. We get 5x plus 1 equals to a x into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square plus c into x square. Now first put x equals to 0 in completed equation. At place of x equals to substitute 0, we get in left side 1 equals to a into 0, it becomes to 0 plus b into 0 minus 1 or minus 1 plus c into 0 0. Now for implies the value of b equals to minus 1, b equals to minus 1. Next put x equals to 1, put x equals to 1 both sides, we get 5 plus 1, 6 equals to, in right side a into 1 minus 1, it becomes to 0 plus b into 0 plus c. Now the value of c equals to 6, c equals to 6. Now in this equation equate coefficients of x square on both sides. In left side coefficient of x square is 0 equals to, in right side coefficient of x square ax into x, ax square. Here coefficient of x square is a, similarly last term c. Now a plus c. For implies here c value 6, a plus c equals to 0, then a equals to minus c or minus x. Therefore the required partial fractions are 5x plus 1 by x square into x minus 1 equals to a by x, a nothing but minus 6 by x